So for project management, you just have to go to Trello and just drag everything. So if today is the deadline, so for example, this is already done, you just move it here. If you are doing it today, you just drag it here. So inana na siya. Now, for you to add link, you just have to go to the class and then you just find, for example, task 12. You just press and then press control on your keyboard, then click. And then you just copy this link. And then press the task 12 and then add an attachment, add a link, paste it here, then attach. Now what happens is that if you are already here in Trello, press nimo sa task 12, diretso na din ka sa task. So dili na ka mag scroll asa na tong task 12, diretso na siya. The same goes with others. Wala man nato nabutangan ni ang kuan. Ang task 13 so butangan nato. So task control F, task 13, view assignment, copy link, go back to Trello, press, then add attachment, attach a link, and then there. And then we also have to add link di ay sa atong 21 days. So we have to find that. So that is on my drive. So pangitaan ako tong 21 days nga Excel, which is wa pay sulod kay katurma tong 3 days. Sa naman to? Nasa drive. Okay. Kanya. So we just have to copy this, the link, and then press for the 21 days, add attachment, paste, then attach. So, dali ra kayo. So, when you go to your Trello for project management, okay, tas 9 today ang deadline, October 29. Kabla na rin kaasa ang padulong. Same with 21 days, kabla na kaasa ka padulong. So, again, this is all about organization and to make use of your time. Or dili na kamalangan and then mas organize sa imong work.